Hello everyone, my name is Ayaan Shaikh. I am in standard 6. My school name is Mahatma Jyotiba Phule English Medium School. I am from Teach for India organization and I am in Robotics India. And my project name is a line follower garbage collecting robot. So I will start it. It has started and the sensors are working. You can see it is on the track only. This whole map I have made it and it is detecting full the sensing. It is working on the sensors only. It will wait some time on the home C like this for collecting the garbage. Now it will detect this and it will go again. Done. You can see the whole map. See, it is working again. Thank you. Done.